Hey guys, what's up? We're back again with another unboxing video. Now, this video today is strictly going to be unboxing. I'm not really going to review these products yet, just because I'm going to try and get used to them and see if I can really get use out of them before I make a review, rather than just opening it and saying, yeah, they work. So what these items are, hopefully some items that are going to help me up my video creating process, sort of help along the creative process. You can see we have a microphone that I will be able to use with my phone, so hopefully higher quality audio will happen from that. I have myself a phone holder, so to speak. So basically what you do is you put your phone in here. You can add whatever video attachments you want, like this microphone. If you have any lights, you can slide them in there, and you can see we have some screw holes here so you can set this up on a tripod, sort of giving your phone sort of that camcorder feel. And then I do have this cable, just because sometimes auxiliary ports and the 3.5mm jack don't necessarily read well with other devices. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open these. Alright, first we'll do this. So let's just take a look. I'll just let you see the brand, Rode microphones. SC7 TRS to TRS patch cable. Let's go ahead and pop her up. Probably nothing too special in here. Alright, there we go. So you can see it's kind of a cool coiled cord there. And as you can see, the two different plugs there. So that'll be able to help me transfer audio better and capture it better. So there we go. So that one's out of the way. We'll set that aside. Next, we'll go ahead and take this case or rig or whatever you want. I'll go ahead and take it out of the plastic. Oh, this is some good plastic we got here, as far as plastic goes, I guess. Oh, all right. So here you can see the name of it, the URig Pro, ULANZI URig Pro smartphone rig. There were a few different models of this, but I decided to go with the Pro. It gave a lot more spots for different accessories, so I figured that would be able to help me the most. You can see here you can fit bunch of different size devices in here, so I'm going to be using my phone. You'd set it in here, your camera would probably shoot out here, or if you flip it, it would shoot out this way. So you can sort of hold that, act like it's your professional camcorder. Alright, so there's that. There's the instructions, so I'll read that later. So that, looking forward to setting that up. And then last but not least, the one I'm most excited about, the Boya MM1 Universal Cardioid Microphone. Compatible, looks like smartphones, tablets, computers, digital cameras, and then also camcorders. So there's the specs, if you were wondering about that. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up, because I'm really excited to unbox this and start using it. Alright. Bada boom, there we go. I also got that. So let's just take a look here. So here is the microphone itself. You can see it has this noise reducer. I really like that style. It's fluffy, it's kind of fun to look at. It'd be funny to see me out in public with that. It is just a case, I believe, so you can actually take the microphone out. So there's the actual microphone. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in there. So there's that. And then here are all the accessories with it. So you can see here, these jacks are a little bit different than this one. So that's why I got the cord that I did earlier. That way, if I need it to be compatible with anything, I'll have that going for me. But this is just like a typical audio jack. We're having trouble focusing here because they're so small. If I zoom in, there we go. So yeah, since I do have the Pixel 2, which does not have an auxiliary port or a phone jack, I will have to use one of those adapters, but that shouldn't be an issue, and I shouldn't lose too much quality on my sound from having to do that. Let's see what we got here. So this is another connector. This one says from microphone to smartphone, which it looks like, you know, did I get scammed? Okay. So this actually came with a cord that I purchased on the side. This one looks a little more badass, so I just use this one. This one's a little bit shorter too, so oh well, the more the merrier. Alright, and then here is sort of the attachment. So you can put this around your microphone, which I can get that on there later. It goes right on the smallest part. So there, and then I believe you just slide it on in like so onto the rig, and so now you basically have your video recording, your recording audio, and if you wanted you could attach lights even, so you have yourself a little miniature, almost professional setup. Now I don't really know the quality yet, that will be determined later, but again I have pretty much all the essentials now. So there's that. And then looks like we got a nice little branded cleaning cloth, and we have a nice branded carrying case, I guess, for all my accessories. So that's it. Let's go ahead and get all the accessories and everything I got out here, just sort of show what all we got going on. Alright, so I like that everything was sort of the red and black theme. I didn't plan for it, but it looks like it all sort of happened that way, so maybe it's for a reason, maybe it's trying to tell me something. But hopefully I'll get these used within the next week or so and really see what all they can do. So be looking for videos that have me utilizing these products. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys later.